How to fix BodyFit app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name BodyFit and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you update the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of General. Open this option iPhone Storage. Now, head towards the app BodyFit. Once you find it, open it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can launch the app and check whether it is working or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, you can apply solution 3. For that, you'll need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. So click on Delete app. Click on Delete app. You just deleted this app from your device. Now I can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app BodyFit. Once app appears, install it. By following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Well, this is how you can fix BodyFit app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.